I'm Amber, and I am a voiceover artist, and I give Adobe Audition a 5-star rating because it's so awesome. For more reviews, click below. As a voiceover artist, you need to have an amazing doll, okay? I used Audacity because I was just getting into it. I was a beginner. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to use. So I started using Audacity. It's a good doll. But I came across Adobe Audition and it changed my entire VO world. I am so happy I found Adobe Audition. I love it. I love it. I love it. Why I chose to go with Adobe Audition above all others. I'm a little aesthetic person. I like the way it looks. It has that little dark background, and then you have your green waveforms. But I'm really like, and I call it the fire underneath. So you can actually see where you're breathing. If I need to edit out a breath, I can actually see that. I know you can see it on a lot of the waveforms, but it actually lets you know, okay, this is something that's going on. We don't really need that. And it makes it so much easier to just delete it. And it's so many options. It's so user friendly. And you can just add on to it and make it your own, and it's very very simple to use. I'm so happy I chose this because any other thing I think I'd be, I don't know, please give me some help. I need help because I can't understand it, but this is so simple to use and it is just a breath of fresh air. So thank you so much, Adobe Audition. Coming out of Audacity, because it's like kindergarten to use. I'm not saying that's a bad thing, but anyway, so going into Audition, I was mortified. I just looked at all of these waveforms and all these buttons and numbers, and I said, I can't do this. But with the help of the customer service, they were so friendly and they helped me along the way. And it was just, it was my own self getting in the way because it wasn't hard at all to use. It's basically a plug and play and you're off to the races. It's very simple to use. And oh, again, I think my 10-year-old can use this. So I love it. If you are looking for a doll and you want to experience Adobe Audition, use the trial period. That is a good way to get the kinks out, get you a little comfortable with it. But I will definitely tell you, you will not be disappointed because it is just a great app, a great software. And you really won't have any issues with it. A lot of people think that it's very intimidating, but it really isn't. You get all of these different reviews on how it's so hard and I don't know how to do this. It's just that people aren't giving it a chance, I think. And once you give it the chance, you will never go in another direction. Okay, I hate to say never, but you'll never go in another direction. So Adobe Audition all the way.